Have you ever wondered what a bank-led sponsorship is? Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm a banking and a payment consultant, and I will answer this question for you today. When you have a fintech startup or any payments or banking related startup, one of the biggest, most difficult things to find is access to banking, as well as having those dreaded money transmitter licenses. What you may not know is that you can actually go and partner up with the bank and have the bank-led sponsorship take care of everything else. What that basically says is the bank controls the money, the bank handles the money for you on behalf of your customers, and the bank provides you an account, what is called an FBO account, for benefit of, it's not for benefit of you, but rather for benefit of your customers. You as an app owner or app provider will simply partner up with the bank. Every user that downloads the app or signs up is essentially opening a bank account with the bank that you've partnered up with. Every funding source they add is actually funding that account. And as a basic tenant, you are subscribing to a core product or a service offered by the bank, which in this case could be account opening as well as ACH. So when you have a user and the user signs up with you, they open a bank account, bank handles all the KYC information, bank handles all the compliance. You don't handle anything. You're simply connecting to the bank's API. So the API is a conduct between the bank all the way to the user, and it's absolutely secure. Whenever funds need to be moved, the bank moves them. Because you are not moving the funds on or by yourself as the operator of this app, you are not licensed, and you're not required to be a money transmitter because you simply are not moving the funds. You don't have access to the fund. The funds are moved by the bank on behalf of the instructions sent by the user. And how are those instructions sent? They're sent by the API. So it's like standing instructions sent via the API, and the bank executes it. And what the bank says is, I will open a sub account for you, and all the sub accounts for every user will be FBO accounts for benefit of, let's say there's John, so for benefit of John, for benefit of Mary, for benefit of Faisal, and so forth. And these accounts are basically all bundled up under the account of the app operator. But the functioning and the operating of the account is done strictly by the bank. The KYC, the compliance, the regulatory frameworks, the reporting, everything is done by the bank. And what the bank does is it goes into a partnership with you. So you as an app operator maybe are bringing the technology stack, the marketing, the first level of customer support, but the financial handling in the back end is all outsourced to the bank. And that is what a bank-led sponsorship is all about. If you have any more questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you. Take care.